Hi everyone, and welcome to Take 5. My name is Brendan Herbert. I'm a holistic lifestyle coach with Infinity Wellness Partners. Today we're going to go over 4 simple stretches to help to improve your posture while sitting at your desk. Just to explain why, when you're sitting at your desk, several muscle groups are in a constant state of contraction. One of them being the hamstrings, another being the thigh and hip flexor, another one being the chest and shoulders. Those are getting in that constant state of contraction. And then when you're typing or on your cell phone, those hand muscles, those forearm muscles, they're in a constant state of contraction too, okay? So we're gonna start actually with the forearm stretch. So I want you to plant your hands on the desk, rotate your palms out with your fingertips going back. Now from here, you should already feel a nice stretch going through those forearms. If you don't, go ahead and just lean back a teeny bit. This is going to help to enhance that stretch, okay? From here, I want you to take 2 deep breaths in and out. So breathe in and exhale. One more time, breathe in and exhale. That breathing is really going to help to get the oxygen into the blood, and the stretching is going to help to get the blood to the muscle. Let's go ahead and do a chest and shoulder stretch, again, to help to counteract some of that driving, typing, or texting that's going on. These muscles right here between the chest and the shoulder are tightening, and you're getting that kyphotic posture. So go ahead and plant that palm right on the ground, right on the wall. Arm is nice and straight. I want you to take a small step forward with your inside leg, this being my left leg with my left arm. Now from here, all I want you to practice doing is look to the right over your right shoulder as far as you can. This right shoulder will open up just a teeny bit, and you should feel a nice stretch going through the pectoral muscle, through the chest muscle. Now let's practice that breathing. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. All right, go ahead and switch sides. So place that right hand on the wall with your fingertips facing behind you. From here, take a small step forward with your right foot. Turn away from the wall just that little bit. Breathe in deep. Exhale. Breathe in deep. And exhale. All right, so now we're going to move into the lower body stretch. We're going to go quad and hip flexors. So I want you to place your chair about an arm's distance away from the front of your desk. From there, you're going to stand at the front of your desk with your hands here for balance. Now, I want you to practice reaching back as far as you can so that the top of your foot is on the chair. If this is too far away, just bring the chair closer. Now already, I feel a nice stretch going down through my quad, through my thigh muscle, as well as a little bit in my hip flexors. So, in order to enhance the stretch just a little more, I'm going to slightly bend that front knee, and I'm just going to lean back, putting a little more weight on my back foot. Now I'm going to breathe in deep. Exhale. One more time, breathe in deep. Exhale. All right, switch sides. Left foot up, lean back, put a little bit of weight towards that back foot, slightly bend the front knee, keeping the chest really upright. Now breathe in deep. Exhale. One more time, breathe in deep. And exhale. All right, last but not least, we're going to stretch into those hamstrings. So what I want you to do is turn around, keep the chair where it is, place that right heel right up onto the chair with your toes flexed back towards you. I want you to lean into it, just a small hinge at the waist, until you feel minor discomfort in the back of the leg, never pain. So breathe into it, minor discomfort, just enough to feel that stretch. Now breathe in deep. Exhale. Breathe in deep. Exhale. All right, let's switch legs. Extend that other heel right on top of your chair. lean forward until you find that minor discomfort and stretch. Breathe in deep. Exhale. One more time, breathe in deep. Exhale. All right, so as you can see, in just 5 minutes, we were able to do 4 simple stretches to help to improve our posture, not only in our upper body, but in our lower body as well. If you do these stretches a couple of times a day, or even once a day, you're gonna see significant differences in weeks and months to come. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you again on Take 5.